Ow! Stop!
Whoa.
I have nerve
Okay.
damage on my
Come on.
right arm. You
Come
can't
on.
touch it.
Okay.
Come on. I'm grabbing your left
I
arm.
will
Let's go.
stand up. You're yanking my right arm across my body.
Okay, I have your left arm. Stand
Let
up.
go, and I will
Stand up.
I can't.
I'm not going to let you go. Stand up.
I can't.
You can't stand up. You were just walking.
Sir,
Stand up.
I can roll over and stand up
We're gonna
myself.
drag you to my car.
Ma'am, I'm telling you, I have severe nerve damage. I have a medical
Stand.
injury. I have a brain injury. This
Okay.
hurts. I can't.
Okay, it's going to hurt more if
I
we have
can
to carry you
roll
there.
over on my left side
Okay.
and stand up.
Stand up.
I can.
Stand
Ow!
up.
Get up.
Stand
Ow!
up.
Hey, hold on.
Oh,
Hey,
my arm!
look at me. Hey, listen to me.
My arm!
Hey, listen to me. We're gonna stand you up.
If I can just roll over on my left side, I will stand
Okay,
myself
we're gonna do
up.
that. But if you drop when we're walking again, you're gonna piss us off. Just
You're
walk.
female. Ow, my shoulder!
Stand up.
Stand up then. You don't want us to touch you. Stand up.
Yeah, that's what I've been
Okay,
saying.
stand up.
Okay, you can talk to anybody.
And this
Now just walk.
lady here grabbed my arm and I fell to the
I had my
ground.
video pointed at you. She
Can
didn't.
you please let go of me? Please let go of
We did
me
call
so I
medical.
can stand
Yeah, medical's
up.
coming.
Okay, you standing up?
Stand up. He's gonna keep his
No,
hand
I
on
would
you.
like
He's gonna keep his hand on you. Just stand up.
For
Fine. Can
the
you
vic-
stand
the
still, please,
suspect.
so I can use you? Then
Okay.
All right, now walk. Just walk.
Walk.